Hey everybody, this is Portuguese DIY Dad, and today we are going to harvest some garlic. So back in the fall I made a video and you'll see it right here about how to plant garlic, and showed you a really easy way. I think I used a pipe to slide the garlic down, and today we're gonna harvest the garlic. And I did an experiment, and I didn't say this in the last video, but don't judge my garden beds, by the way. Okay, so this I already started harvesting some, so there's some missing, but this is garlic that I harvested last year and then I used to replant. Look how nice and thick these look. Look at this. Okay, I pull one out and look how beautiful that looks, right? And then I bought some in the store, and I'm very particular about the garlic that I buy. So I bought made in USA, but it was organic and it was store-bought, right? And then look how these look how small these are, right? And these are not even half the size. If I pull one out, and I need my tools, but anyways. All right, so check it out. So look how tiny that looks, right? I mean, it looks good, but it's just small, right? Now let's check out the one that I planted. And someone commented in my last video that I was using gloves, so I wasn't true Portuguese. But guess what? I'm living up to my Portuguese descendancy, and I'm not using gloves today. All right, here we go. Look how beautiful that looks. So look at that. So this is, I used garlic that I harvested last year and then look, side by side comparison. Store-bought and ones that I harvested myself, that I planted myself. So there you have it. If you're gonna plant garlic, well, I guess you got to start somewhere, but you got to use store-bought. But I guess the second season, I guess your garlic will look better. I think it also has to do with the soil. I noticed that the soil here is a lot better. I see a lot of worms. I see it's healthier, and of course I think that has something to do with it as well. So just wanted to make a quick video and show you how to harvest garlic. What you do after here is you don't want to wash it. You want to keep them like this. You want the dirt to dry up, and then once the dirt is dry, then you shake the dirt off, and then once it's all dry, that's when you cut it right here, and then you cut this right here, and you store it in a nice cool dark place. So what I like to do is I like to tie all these together like this and then hang it inside the shed. So, and that'll stay in the shed for 2 weeks, drying up until they're ready to be put away. All right, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned how to do this. I encourage you to plant your own garlic. Thank you for watching.